everything, let her go potty, and we were going to get on down the road. What? Go ahead. Oops, I started walking and she was peeing. Oops. Go ahead, go. We stopped at the rest area somewhere in Idaho on 84. We got about 120 miles to go to Ontario. We're going to stop and get fuel at the Pilot. Maybe go a little bit further, maybe not. I look like crap. Those 1 a.m. rollouts are rough, but whew, it's been a long night. Quiet night though, that's always good. Y'all, I am in Ontario, Oregon at the Loves. I stopped at the Pilot and got fuel, but I turned in and this Burnt River Farms was covered up. And I'm like, man, that place is so busy, they've got to have good food. I wonder if they've got burnt ends in Burnt River Farms. And then when I got to the side of the building, I seen Cannibus on it. So we won't be going into the Burnt River Farms. Jesus, it smells like weed out here. Oh, Roxy's done found somebody else's bone, but she won't let it go. Come on. You can get a contact high walking by this place. Jesus. I did see some handicapped people going in there. But there's another one. I guess there are some that don't just need to be stoned all the time. Y'all look at that. They're growing mushrooms at the marijuana store. Oh, Roxy's wanting to go in there. No, she needs to go in there. Maybe split her food that way. Come on. Ready? Fetch. Good girl. Bring it here. Good girl. Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Come on, bring it here. It sure is hot out here. The sun is beating down. Roxy, she's wore out. I'm getting ready to go in here and take a shower. Got to keep my shower streak alive. Well, this is a tiny shower by Love standards. I guess it's one of the cleaner ones. Alrighty, I'm all showered up. See if they got some lottery tickets out here. Well, they don't have a lottery machine, so I guess we'll go to the truck, get ready for bed. I think I'm gonna roll out around midnight, maybe 1 o'clock because of the time change. Let a few people roll out of the truck stop, but I want to get there early because I want to go hiking up at Tumwater Falls. With all the snow and rain, hopefully the waterfalls are looking good. Them Central Oregon lumber guys, they're trying to sandwich me there. I got one on both sides. Good thing I got Roxy. Keep an eye on them. stopped at a viewpoint to let Roxy pee along the Columbia River Gorge. It's real pretty through here. I'm gonna put a video out of just my drive through here. So the sun's coming up over there. One of the big mountains still had snow on it, but it's pretty. Still couldn't get me to live out here though. Too isolated. What the sign says. If you want to read that, you can. Oops. Oh, it's been a rough night. I'm looking crippled and crazy. Oh God, gross truck driver. Why they won't let us in places. Woo! We ain't getting too close. No, step back. That's kind of scary. Woo! I hope that person whose other shoe that is didn't fall over. Woo! Let me see. I believe you could survive a fall. I'm not gonna try it though. Yeah. That's it. Alright, it's another tiny one, but we're keeping that shower streak alive. Boy, they could use some Clorox in here. I blew my reset by coming, but it just didn't seem right to sit on this load when I could get it delivered. But anyways, we are here. I don't know if they want me back here yet. I can back out. They unload it right there where that hoist is. I'm gonna stop. Nope, there's a fire extinguisher or a freaking Jesus Christ, that scared the hell out of me. Go back a little bit more. everything, let her go potty, and we are going to get on down the road. Look, go ahead. Oops, I started walking and she was peeing. Oops. Go ahead.